Hi class, this is instructor Fran and I want to talk to you about the weekly reflective journal writing assignments that we're going to complete each week of English 100. What you're going to do is each week pick a topic of your choice and write 1 to 1.5 pages on it. You are then going to take either a one-sentence selection of that response or create a one-sentence summary of that response and submit that. If you submit the one sentence on time, then you will earn full credit. I will not evaluate it. I will not read it. It's writing that is just for you. Now you might ask yourself, why is my teacher having me complete a writing assignment that she's not even going to take a look at? Well, the best answer I can give you is that it's great practice. Just like any challenging activity, writing takes practice. Think of a marathon runner. She doesn't usually just start racing a marathon on her very first day of running. Think of a Navy SEAL. Navy SEALs train and practice for the missions that they complete. For writing, we practice. We practice both the skills of writing and we practice using writing as a way of thinking. In addition, studies have found that low-stakes writing assignments, such as ungraded journal entries, help students increase their confidence and lower their anxiety about writing. So get writing. Every week, pick a new topic. You can pick a topic related to what we're discussing in class. You can write about something that's going on at work. You can explore something that's going on in your personal life. Regardless, remember that I'm not going to read the assignment. I'm just going to look at your summary. So the writing is personal and it's up to you. So again, good luck with your practice. Reach out if you have any questions or need any tips for brainstorming ideas. But I think you'll find by the end of the term that this practice writing journal entries will help you with all sorts of writing. Best of luck.